In this segment, you will learn names common to various areas of the spreadsheet. I will use the term workbook and spreadsheet interchangeably. A workbook is a file made up of worksheets. This version of Excel, which is 2010, opens up with 3 spreadsheets. Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. And you can add to this or delete these as you go. The title at the top of the workbook defaults to Book 1 under this version. You can change this as you save it. Now, a worksheet is a page in a workbook containing the grid of cells. This is where you enter data, either as labels or as values. A column is a vertical block of cells running up and down the spreadsheet. You can see the column headings are A, B, C, D, and E. Now I've just clicked on A4 in the grid, and it shows up under, right above it, it says name box, and it shows A4. Off to the left are the headers of the rows, and they're designated by numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are horizontal blocks of cells running across the worksheet. Now, where the intersection of your row and your column is the cell, is an active cell. On the right-hand side, you'll see what's called scroll bars. You'll have a scroll bar at the base too. You have icons all over the place up here, and we're going to get into that in a later session, but each icon represents an action that you can take, and if you roll your cursor over the icons, it'll sometimes give you a further description of the icon. This area we're in right now is called a ribbon. We're in the ribbon of a tab called the Home tab. If we click on each of the tabs, you'll notice that the ribbon changes and all the icons underneath it change. We'll go back to Home right now, just as a point of reference, and we'll go down to the bottom, and we see a word that says Ready. Well, this is the status bar. It provides certain information on where you're at in the spreadsheet. At this point, we're in the ready mode. We're ready to do something. This now concludes the segment on names common to various spreadsheet areas.